Test all these things out. Let's try this again. This setup is going.
What's good, YouTube? It's the Scooter Hound, emerging from a 2-week bender of learning everything I possibly can about audio and video equipment. Figured since I did all the homework, I might as well share everything I've learned with you all, and then we'll get back to the real focus of the channel. I'm going to show you how I went from this.
This should look familiar if you see my other videos.
To this.
Alright. Yeah, this is pretty windy today too, so it'll be a good test.
The Hero 10 is a phenomenal action camera. It fixes the problems that plagued the 8 and 9. In addition to the camera, you'll want to pick up the media mod to be able to plug in an external mic. You'll want to pick up a dual charger. A standard pack of ND filters will allow you to get motion blur in different lighting conditions. And the helmet chin mount will give you the first person point of view. The Purple Panda is a great value. In addition to the mic, you get a TRS adapter, a windscreen muff, extension cord, a few clips, as well as a carrying case. The Tascam DR07X is a budget-friendly option to capture the exhaust sound. You'll want to pick up an SD card and a windscreen muff as well.